Abebembezi b'empungi n'abari kuzireberera nibagira hatwireho buremezi banyuma y'ebitongore ebitwire nibireberera empungi ezi okushara budgeti. Abantu bagira eki kiteganise okureberera empungi ezi na munonga ezi n'oburema ahambere.
Ushanga bafite icyo kurya ngasigaho abana bazo mu cyaro ku cyo kurya. Sometimes ukushanga tubakumanye byaro bamwe ni baburirayo ushanga abantu muka baba orphans.
Vulnerable family, it includes the basic food items that families need for the next month. His Excellency, the advisor of the Royal Court of Saudi Arabia and the General Supervisor of King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center, Dr. Abdullah bin Abdulaziz Al-Rabi'a was
Kampi ya Nakivale erimu empungi ziri kurenga emitwaro 10 kandi hariho amatsiko ngo obuhwezi obu nibwija kuretaho kihango omu kureberera empungi eziri omu kampi egi.
We today are going to support about 12,000. So together with the rest of my colleagues, we are still on our knees praying that we will have more miracles, of more food that will be coming. For those who believe in my prayer, kindly say amen and we clap.
Durable solutions for the 1.7 million refugees nationally and 570,734 refugees and asylum seekers in Southwest and Midwest.
Patrick Okello, Commissioner mu office y'enganzi y'ihanga yahaye kurabura ngo ebintu ebi tibiri byo kuguza bitu bihebwe empungi okubahwera.
And I want to clarify that this donation you see in the store is not for sale. It is food that is given to the vulnerable people to support their livelihoods, and anybody found selling that food shall be dealt with accordingly.
Gasha kwa Ruth Nuwamanya.